In this video, we're going to go over how to install the GlobalProtect VPN client. This will allow you to connect to Multiview's network and access company resources from home or other non-Multiview locations. First, you're going to want to open your web browser, and you're going to navigate to vpn.multiview.com. That'll pull up this screen. You'll log in here with your Multiview Active Directory credentials. These are the same credentials you use to unlock your PC or log into your email. You can ignore this message, just click OK. For Windows 10 and Windows 7, you're going to want to download the Windows 64-bit GlobalProtect agent. So you just click on that, the download should start. After the download completes, you'll go ahead and click here to launch the installer. Click Next through all the dialogues. The install run through usually pretty quick. Should pop up automatically in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. You're going to also enter vpn.multiview.com and click Connect. You'll be prompted for username and password again. You'll enter those same credentials. After doing that, you should be connected to the network. You can verify in your tray in the lower right-hand corner. You'll look for this icon. It looks like the planet Earth. When it's blue and green, it's connected and it's got a check mark. If you do not see the icon there after you install it, you can launch it from your start menu and type in GlobalProtect, and then it'll pop right up for you. When you're done, you'll click disconnect, and then you're no longer connected to our network.